Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you also fine. Taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about crochet and knitting. Different varieties of different things. Make it in your own home and also buy it from market. You can make different styles of crochet and knitting things in your own home, such as sunflower table, dressing in centerpieces, decorated piece, sofa cover, and side table, and different styles of purse, and crochet and knitting bed sheets, crochet and knitting cowls, and crochet and knitting sunflower rumal, and crochet and knitting different styles of flowers depending on your choice. They look very beautiful and glamorous. You can make different styles of flowers on your table, centerpieces, decorated piece, and bed sheets, and sofa covers, and many other different things depending on your choice. They look very glamorous, enhance the beauty of your all the things where you can keep it. And you can make in different colors and in one color themes, and using crochet and knitting techniques and crochet and knitting yarns. Crochet and knitting is very popular and in fashion in 2020, and you can make in net styles, flower styles, sunflower styles, tulip styles, and many other different styles depending on your choice. You can make hexagonal hexagonal racks, and hexagonal purse, and sunflower purse, and crochet and knitting sunflower sofa covers, crochet and knitting sunflowers, and beads of bed sheets, and different styles of things depending on your choice. I hope you like all these crochet and knitting things in this my video, and if you want to make these crochet and knitting things in order, please see the link in my description. Trust the link and contact with us. Okay viewers, if you have any question, please share me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. See you later in my next video. Take care. May God bless you. I pray Allah for your health and wealth. Remember me in your prayers, and